So for any type of function, we can find an average rate of change, and it's related to slope. So we can find the average rate of change of any given function f from one point in its domain to another. And then the final exam is going to have you round your answer. So here's the idea. We're given this parabola. Is that parabola concave upward, or is the parabola concave downward? How do you know that this graph would be concave upward? And specifically, which number is positive? The leading coefficient. Yeah. So this, I'm not sure where the vertex is. We could calculate it opposite b over 2a. But you know, the picture is something like this. And on part of its domain, the function's decreasing. On another part, the function's increasing. An average rate of change gives us a way of quantifying how quickly it's increasing on average or how quickly it's decreasing on average. I'm going to erase this picture because it's probably not right. I should have probably prepared ahead of time. But it is concave up. Well, if we remember slope, we've got a template for average rate of change, but change it over to function notation. Average rate of change is change in output over change in input. And so the outputs don't have to be from a linear function, they can be from any function. I'll give you a moment and see if you can calculate this ratio. Mark.
First part squared.
Top. There will be f of x2. You plug in the 2 here and here, so you're going to have to do some squaring. F of x1, we'll plug in -1 here and here, and you'll have to do some squaring. Okay? This is good. I mean, this is calculus stuff right here. F of 2 is f of -1 over 2 minus -1. Plug in a 2 times 2 squared minus 5 times 2 is 8. Can someone confirm it's 10? F of 2? Okay, good. This is going to be on film, so we want to make sure they're on it. F of -1. -1 here and here. 3 times -1 squared minus 5 times -1 plus 8. 3 plus 5 plus 8. 16. F of 2 is 10. F of -1 is 16. 2 take away -1 is 3. And I believe our ratio is -6 over 3. Indeed. Look for -2 on your multiple choice. So on this interval, -1 to 2, on average, the parabola is decreasing, like a line of slope -2. So if we were to draw the parabola, on average, it would be decreasing from -1 to 2. Just check our time. We've run out of time. If I were to make a suggestion where to leap off from here, I would go to number 20 on the handout so that you can go from average rate of change to difference quotient. We're going to take a 15-minute timeout and we're going to reconvene. Is our room number 205, you think? I think 205. So you're invited to continue with us. We'll do some logarithms at 9:10. Logarithms, exponential functions, and maybe some other cool stuff. Thanks, guys.
Wait.